If you are having problem with your monitor color, you need to make some adjustment to resolve the issue. Resolving problems with monitor color display is too easy. It takes only a few minutes to solve the problem. It depends on how picky you are about your color accuracy on your screen. And this problem can be solved very easily. So let's see the simple solution to this problem. So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Content Creator Pro and I am Ajhar with you. So some tips and tricks to simplify your current technology related problem. So let's start the tips. First thing first, you have to close all your open programs. You can either right click on start and then click the control panel, or click on the start and type control panel and then click the icon that appears. In the control panel window, click systems, then click on the display button. If more than one monitor is connected to your computer, then select the monitor that you want to change and then click the display adapter properties links. A new window will open for the graphics and media control panel properties. Click on the color management tab. To adjust the color management tab, click on the color management button. It will open another window. From here, you must ensure the check mark is on for use my settings for these devices. Then click the add button. From the associate color profiles, choose the profile that was installed on the same system. Scroll down and select the RGB color space profile and then click OK. And close the color management window, click OK again and exit the properties window and restart your computer. Hopefully the problem will be resolved. And that's all for today. Please do like, comment, share on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you get any benefits from this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.